You know that feeling when you grab a bargain washer off a clearance aisle, only to find it sputtering on the first heavy load wash and leaving your favorite sweater a shade lighter than before? I've heard that story more times than I can count, and it's why I always pause at the cheap but cheesy crossroads before committing to a front-load machine. The question I keep asking myself, and you probably do too, is whether stepping up to a mid-range model like the Electrolux 27-inch front-load washer actually saves you from that regret, or just adds another line item to the budget. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. What makes a front-loader worth the extra dollars is how it handles the everyday chaos of family life, the soccer uniform that's drenched in mud, the bulkier comforter you pull out once a season, and the constant juggling of water and electricity bills. The Electrolux unit promises a 4.5 cubic foot drum, SmartBoost premixing technology, and a perfect steam cycle that sounds like a spa for fabrics. Those sound great on paper, but the real test is whether they translate into less time scrubbing, fewer rewashes, and a lower utility bill. First off, the capacity. A 4.5 cuff drum is genuinely generous. My partner and I can toss in 2 king-size blankets, a week's worth of kids' clothes, and still have room for a few towels without feeling cramped. The door opens wide enough that you don't have to wrestle bulky items into a tiny opening, which is a hidden convenience you rarely see in the specs sheet. If you've ever tried to fit a large duvet into a smaller drum, you'll appreciate that extra inch of space. It means you can actually wash those comforters at home instead of paying a laundromat fee. The SmartBoost system is another point where the Electrolux tries to differentiate itself. It pulls a bit of water before the main wash and mixes it with detergent, creating a pre-solution that's introduced at the start of the cycle. In my experience, this premix helps dissolve powdered detergents more fully, especially in colder months when the water can be a little shy. The result? Fewer detergent residues on dark fabrics and a milder scent overall. If you're someone who leans toward powder or uses a high-efficiency detergent, you'll notice the difference more than a person who sticks with liquid pods. Steam is often marketed as a deep clean feature, but in the kitchen of real life, it's the stubborn pet stains and Dreden sauce splatters that test the claim. I ran a couple of loads with the perfect steam option, one with a set of kids' t-shirts that had a grape juice ring, another with a pair of jeans that had a Dreden oil spot from a bike repair. The steam cycle runs at a lower temperature but adds moisture that helps loosen the bond between stain and fabric. The grape juice ring lifted noticeably after a single wash, the oil spot needed a second rinse, but still came out cleaner than it would have without steam. For households dealing with frequent messes, that extra steam step can shave minutes off a pre-treat routine. Efficiency is a big selling point for any appliance that runs daily. The Electrolux is Energy Star certified, meaning it's designed to use less water and electricity per cycle compared to older models. In practice, I've seen the water usage drop by about 15% on a standard 40-minute wash when compared to a 3-year-old front-loader I used before. The spin speed tops out at 1,300 revolutions per minute, which isn't the highest you'll find on the market, but it does a respectable job of extracting water, leaving towels only slightly damp. That means the dryer doesn't have to work overtime, which indirectly contributes to lower energy consumption. Now, let's talk about the practical downsides. The first thing that catches newcomers off guard is the control panel layout. The touchscreen is sleek, but it can be a little finicky when you're wearing gloves or have wet hands. A light tap sometimes registers as a swipe, and you might need to press a button twice to get the intended setting. It's not a deal breaker, but it does add a few seconds to the startup routine, which can be annoying if you're in a rush. Another trade-off is the price. While the Electrolux sits comfortably in the mid-range bracket, it's still a noticeable jump from the entry-level models that sit at half the cost. If you're on a tight budget and only need a machine for a single person or a couple without kids, the extra capacity and steam might feel like overkill. In those cases, a more basic front-loader could handle the load without the premium price tag. The adaptive dispenser is an interesting feature that automatically adjusts the amount of detergent and fabric softener based on load size and soil level. In my usage, it works well for average loads, but if you load the drum to the brim with heavy items, you might need to top up the detergent manually. The system can be a little conservative, which is great for saving product, but not ideal if you're dealing